yung inumpos yung
Yes.
Dinadama o dinanamnam ni Jeffrey Zarate yung pagbalik niya para tumimbang muli. With all smiles, the rider Jeffrey Tagulaw Zarate sinalubong na siya ng kanyang mga grooms.
That is our unofficial winner, Real Spicy.
Nakangiti rin ang mga sumasalubong kay Real Spicy and Jackie JT Zarate.
Yes, quarters of 25, 24, 24 and a half, 27, 140.4 ang naging tempo ni Real Spicy sa Emilia.
Racing just started. We have Bibere. Break quickly at the start. Moving up by Little Batong still young. Real Spicy comes next. Then followed over by Native Blonde, Jet Sutter, Manhattan. While Empire King is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Bibere, the early leader by about 3/4 of a length lead. Batong still young is right there in second. Real Spicy is down in third. Then followed over by Native Blonde. Empire King comes next, running alongside Jet Sutter, while Manhattan is in behind them. Down the back stretch they travel. We have Vivere by about half length. Batong Silya in second. Real Spicy is down in third. Moving up on the outside now is Native Blonde. Then followed over by Empire King, Jet Sutter, while Manhattan is in behind them. Half mile distance they travel. We have two entries fighting around for the lead. Vivere and on the outside Batong Silya. Then here comes Real Spicy together with Native Blonde now closing in. Down in fifth is Empire King. Then followed over by Jet Sutter, while Manhattan is in behind them. Last 400 meters of the race. Race now getting more exciting with Real Spicy now moves up. Native Blonde is on the outside. Vivere draws back into the hands. They swing for home. Real Spicy moving up on the outside now is Native Blonde with about 150 meters more to run. Real Spicy, Native Blonde is on the outside, but it's still Real Spicy, Native Blonde, and finally it's Real Spicy, Native Blonde. Third goes to Jet Sutter, then comes Vivere, close with Empire King, Manhattan and Batong Silya.